Hello, welcome to my wonderful video here. This tutorial will teach you how to use the Look At Gizmo to make an object track you, certain roles, or certain objects. So, some prerequisites you need are the thing that's going to track you. Give him a face, maybe. He'll be an Oompa Loompa. There you go, we have a little Oompa Loompa guy. Now that we have our model, we're going to need a role because the Look At Gizmo only looks at people with roles. I don't know why, but it does that. So to do that, we're going to want a role chip to make the role, a role mapper chip to assign the role, and some input method like a button or a player event chip. So I'm going to configure the role, just configure, and select it. We're going to name this Look. Editing the role is not necessary unless you want to customize all this. If you want to give players a role when they join your game, use the player event chip, use the red pin player joined onto player. But we have to configure the role mapper chip to add player role to give the player the role. Role mapping, use the look role. So now when a player joins your room, they will automatically be assigned the look role. If you want the player to press a button to get the role, you can instead get a button. When button is pressed, player, press that, and now I have the look role. Now we have to make the thing actually look at us now. To do that, we're gonna open our palette, go to gadgets, go to gizmos, go to look at, turn your snapping so you can properly align it, and then just simply spawn that in there. This will look at you, not based on your model's physical position, but on its own position. Your model will follow the Look At Gizmo's position, which could cause some errors, like your model might be upside down and tracking you, but to fix that, just simply rotate the model upside down. So first, you're going to want to position the Look At Gizmo in the center of your model, so the center of your model tracks you. You can have it be off center, that works too, but it doesn't look well unless you're doing something a certain way. But this tutorial, we're just gonna put it in the middle of the model's pivot here. Now it's close to my model's pivot. This has to be on point, but just make it on point as possible. If you want it to, like in this example, a head. Make it on point as possible if you're making a head track you. Set a new wire, and then we're gonna connect this top part of the Look At Gizmo to the model. Now, before we make it track us, we're going to actually configure the Look At Gizmo. Target type, we are targeting players. Do you want smoothing? I do want smoothing. Do you want to track the average position player or the closest position player? We're going to track the closest role, track everyone with the look role, and we're going to track their head. And now, to enable it, you just put your configure tool, your configure onto the red pin here, and then increase that by 1. And now, here's an issue. As you see, it turned upside down. It turned upside down because, again, it tracks you based on the Look At Gizmo's position, not your models. So, to fix this, we can turn the model upside down. It's a little crooked. You should probably disable it before you do that. Give you an example here. It can also track hands. We're going to make it track my left hand. If you do hands, we'll track like the middle of like both where your hands are. We'll just do the left hand here. As you see, it's now tracking my left hand. But you can also track objects with this. Let me show you how that works. So, open our palette. We're going to make it track the bow. To do that, we're going to configure the bow, and we're going to get the bow's tag. See how it's tagged with quest bow. So, we're going to configure the Look At Gizmo. So we're type object. We're going to do closest position, and then tags to follow, bow. Now, it's now looking at the bow. If we throw it, it's tracking where I threw the bow now. Also, customize what tag an object uses. So we're going to do a look tag. Now we have to, again, reconfigure the Look At Gizmo to now look at things with the look tag, not the role look, the tag look. So, you see here? Track that. Okay.